receiving packets, so the communication for communication. Which
no. That is SCAPI basic command line. What we want to do is the next phase is while server and client are communicating, we want to sniff it. Sniff see what they are doing between client and server. That is exactly what Wireshark can do, right? So can you do that in Python and Sniff? That's what we want to do. So if you see the slide, first of all, let's do it this way. That is shown in the slide. But before we do, can you see that? Which one is that? This text long again. Graphical. That graphical display of the packets. That takes time. So, for example, this. So we will do that next time. But I'm going to explain to you this. Sniff the packets. There are two ways that we could do using Wireshark only. Okay, that's manually. We could do that here using SCAPI. To use SCAPI, you need to import Sniff from SCAPI. If you see here the second line, SCAPI.all, from SCAPI.all. SCAPI is big volume of the packages, Python packages. So you can import to Sniff. So Sniff is used here. So when you do Sniff, iFace means interface. There are so many different interfaces available. ETH0 means there's Ethernet, if you have Ethernet connection. If you have wireless LAN, then WLAN 0, 1, 2, whatever. If you have loopback, then LO. And there's a program, called P underscore callback. That is defined here. This program is defined here. This program automatically receives the packets, P4 packets. So packet.show, each packet can be shown all the information about that layers from Ethernet to IP, TCP that we looked at. So p.show, open and close parentheses, will display. Show means displays. So sniffs this interface. So look at that interface. And for each packet, I want to display, but I do not want to capture all but IP only. Filter IP. You can use this, or you can omit it as you wish. So I wanted to do that right now. Those who have Wireshark. I think these two guys have.
And then when I created my client, was calling was
Right,
better.
right. So you see some, right?
Yeah,
That is.
it's better than Wireshark, but it's
Mhm.
a little bit more clear.
Oh, thank you. If you say better than Wireshark.
It's good?
See?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
For me, it's
You made
better.
me happy. But unfortunately, my interface right now is not active. But it depends. So network is always a variant. So you two guys are lucky. There's working. I think this is it for today. Otherwise, it takes another couple of hours. We do something else. Next week, each of you needs to make a presentation of your individual projects, and the rest of next week, I'm going to finish up this Scapy and Python related work. Okay. So from the following week, we'll do GCC, C program. Not there, we do not do really C programming or assemblies, but we'll understand, for example, buffer overflow or stack overflow attacks. Okay, a little bit of software attacks will be. Huh?
Can we have a simulation with a C about the stack overflow or buffer overflow attack? Can we have
A little bit of, yeah, some examples. But before we do, stack overflow attack is the last moment. So that is, before we get to that point, so we'll do a little bit of a C program,